Let's trim your MP3 files easily in seconds. For this, we will be using WavePad. You can download WavePad in the description below for free on both PC and Mac. Once you have downloaded WavePad, let's open it up. Here, you will be greeted by the main menu. You can select your audio by selecting Open. Let's locate it and open it up. Your audio is now in WavePad. For this tutorial, I want to remove the first 5 seconds and last 5 seconds of my audio file. At the bottom of the screen is a timeline, which indicates the length of the audio. We can see where 5 seconds is. We can click anywhere at any point of the audio and press spacebar to play the audio.
Hold up, pause, wait. Man, I feel alive with the vibe
and spacebar again to pause the audio. At the point you want to trim the audio, just click and hold and drag to the point you would like to remove. Now press delete. Now let's do the same with the last 5 seconds of the audio. If you would like to remove a certain section in the middle, like here for example, just do the same. Click and hold and drag to select the area. And press delete. Once you're happy with your file, let's export it. Go to Menu, File, Save File As, click Save, make sure your settings are similar to mine, and press Save. Perfect, your audio file is now exported. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.